Hello my loves, welcome back to another vlog. I said for this year I'm trying to vlog a little bit more because I know people sometimes like more vlogs than sit down videos, so I'm going to try my best to do that. And today we're going to be doing a cleaning video because I need to clean this house. I've been gone for 2 weeks in Chicago and this house needs some cleaning. It desperately needs cleaning. Like, I need to clean these countertops, I have to mop the floor, I have to sweep, mop, clean up the mess. I wanted to take down the tree and all the Christmas decor, but to tell you the truth guys, like, it's that time of the month and I'm cleaning because I need to clean, but I do not want to take down that tree right now. Like, I'm not up to it. I really want to lay down all day, but I'm not. I'm going to clean because I need to clean. I hate having the house super dirty. So yeah, I need to do that. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean these dishes. I'm cooking some lunch for my baby. I'm gonna make me some lunch, eat me some lunch, and then I'm gonna start sweeping, mopping, cleaning the countertops, wiping everything down with Clorox and all that stuff, because that's what I do. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me cleaning out my house, mopping, sweeping, all that fun stuff, you know, everything. Everybody loves you like a nice cleaning video. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna be vlogging today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a little while. love, so I'm already done mopping and sweeping the floors. I'm about to make me some lunch because I'm starving. So I'm gonna make me a grilled cheese sandwich, but I wanted to show you guys the cheese that I've been using because it's a non-dairy cheese, because I've been wanting to stay away from dairy products. So I got this Chow cheese, and I'm telling you guys, this is just better than regular cheese, because I'm not even a fan of regular cheese, but I like me grilled cheese once in a while, and this cheese is so delicious. Like, I absolutely love it, and it melts just like the real cheese. I'm like in love. So I'm about to make a grilled cheese, and then I'm gonna have a little bit of some waffle fries because I'm starving. I'm telling you guys, starving. All I had for breakfast was some coffee and a little bit of cereal, and that's it. Like, I'm starving. My stomach is like growling right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my grilled cheese and my waffle fries, and I will be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video now. I wanted to show you guys my food, of course. I made my waffle fries and my grilled cheese. I'm telling you guys, that cheese is bomb. If you're trying to stay away from dairy as much as possible, I definitely recommend trying out that cheese because it's really good. So I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna go ahead, have my lunch, and I have to edit videos. I think I have like 3 videos I have to edit so I can have them ready for next week. So I hope you guys enjoyed the cleaning video with me, and yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves. Mwah.